Trading bot tokens are hot. Currently, Unibot is the talk of crypto right here. It went from a sub 10 million market cap around a month ago, currently a $135 million market cap, peaking at a $175 million market cap last week. That's a 15 to 20x right there in only around a month. Havoc, that's another one. This one I covered about 6 weeks ago, and it was at a $200,000 market cap. In the last 6 weeks, it's gone from $200K to a current $7.2 million market cap. That is a 30 to 35x. And currently, the latest hot trading bot token is Lightning Bot. This is a promotional project right here. They've been pretty hot in the last week, and I think that they have just as much upward potential as the other two, Unibot and Havoc. So here's the website. It's lightningbot.io. Been around, they've been trading for about a week. They're about $1.5 million market cap right now, so they are definitely a small market cap project. So let's check out the DexTools in closer detail. So they're currently trading on just a Uniswap, as most of these are. Here's the price action right here. So it started at, looks like around $200,000 market cap a week ago. Now it's at a $1.5 million market cap. Peaked at around a $3 million market cap right here. So when it's this low, I don't really like to go with the multiples, 10, 20x. It's not really relevant, but it has trended up considerably. It has found some consolidation right here. And I was thinking of buying the dip over the weekend when I was preparing this video. I really liked what I was seeing. I'm like, this does seem like a pretty damn good project. And it dipped below 1 million market cap. It got down to like a 950K. I'm like, I should buy the dip right here. I should have. It was dumb because now they're back at a $1.5 million market cap. But what are you going to do? So what else do we have here? 1,200 holders. That is pretty good. They are on the Ethereum blockchain. Perfect 99 out of 99 Dex T score for only being around a week. It doesn't get much better than that. Let's click on the links just to show you in detail. Token sniffer, 90 out of 100. That's pretty good. It would be 100, but the sell fee is 5%. It gets stocked slightly for that. Not really a big deal. Let's look at the quick intel right here. This is also perfect. This shows if the liquidity is locked. So 0 red warning indicators, 0 yellow caution indicators. That is exactly what you want to see. A bunch of good and neutral indicators. That's what you want to see here. Liquidity is locked for 6 months. Perfect. I like that. From a security standpoint, this checks all the boxes right there. 5% buy tax, 5% sell tax. But part of that, does get reinvested to the company holders. So more on that in a little bit. And then let's see, liquidity, not bad here. You got a bunch of trades in the 1000s here. You got a $1,400 trade, $1,900 trade, $2,700 trade, $1,200 trade, etc. It's looking pretty good, like what I'm seeing. So now let's kind of dive into what exactly is Lightning Bot beyond just being a trading bot token. At this point, you're probably asking, okay, what even is a trading bot token, a Telegram bot token? You probably heard a bunch about them. It's a hot sector. You don't know what they are. Basically, what they are is you just kind of, it's literally a trading bot that goes through Telegram. You just hook up your wallet. I'll show you a little tutorial in a sec. You hook up your wallet, like your MetaMask, to the Telegram bot channel, and then you just kind of say what kind of trades you want it to execute. You want it to buy Ethereum, sell Bitcoin, etc. It saves you the steps of having to go through an exchange, a centralized exchange, a decentralized exchange, having to send your coins to that exchange. You just do all the trading right through Telegram. It takes like 2 seconds right there. And these trading bots, they specialize in the execution ends. They get fast trades in there. They get the best prices, they get the lowest fees, etc. Their efficiency. Now, it's not like a trading strategy. It's not, there's some other projects where they kind of hook up into an API key into a centralized exchange, and then it kind of shuffles around all your coins in there and enters them into new positions of their choosing, like a top 100 coin, long some specific trading strategy, etc. That's not this. You tell this what to do. So it's not really a trading strategy. It's just focused strictly on the trading execution. Faster, quicker, more efficient trades, saving you a lot of time not having to send your coins to an exchange, logging in, worried about an exchange crashing or withholding your funds. That's a pretty big value add. If you ask me, and the fees for this aren't, so you're probably thinking, okay, but probably high fees. Not really. It's kind of comparable to most exchanges. More on that in a bit. So let's go over the trading tutorial. It's just a little 1-minute tutorial by the project here. Kind of shows what the advantages are, how it works, a little demo.
Audio Jungle.
There we go. So that's just to kind of show you how it works, what it looks like within Telegram, what the layout is, etc. You can snipe, you can buy, you can transfer tokens, etc. Easy. So to summarize the key points there. So it's a 0.5% fee on each transaction. Now the standard on a lot of these other Telegram bots seems to be around 1%. So it does have a competitive advantage, about half the cost of a lot of these. And the fee on most exchanges, it's as low as like 0.1, 0.2%, 0.25%. I've seen it as high as 1.5%. So in a lot of these big exchanges, not going to name names, but 1.5% trading fee versus this 0.5%, that's pretty good. Also, as you saw in the tutorial, revenue sharing after holding 50,000 light tokens. That's not that much. That at current prices at 0.015 per light, it's about $750 at current price. So you only have to hold about $750 to get revenue sharing. And revenue sharing, basically that refers to a sharing of the fees and also the taxes, I believe, but it's mostly the fees that are collected by the trading bots. This 0.5%, the total of that, and then 80% of those total fees are shared. So again, all the revenues from the 0.5%, 80% of those are given back to the holders, and then you get to be one of those holders sharing. And if you hold a currently of about $750 minimum of the token right there. Not bad, not bad. More on the revenue sharing right there. Let's take a look at the website. So lightningbot.io. Here it is. It's on Ethereum, as I mentioned, less downtime, secured contracts. This kind of compares it to Unibot, the big one. So it's a much smaller market cap. It's 1.5 million market cap, not 300K at the moment. Unibot has a subscription model. This is a fee-based model. Here's a big advantage right here. So 80% of the revenue, as mentioned, go back to the holders of Lightning Bot. Unibot, it's only 40% of the holders. So you're getting less revenue, and then you're paying higher subscription fees on Unibot. Also, this one has a self-hosting bot. Unibot doesn't. This one has bundling features. Unibot doesn't. This one has validators. Unibot doesn't. And then this one has many more trading competitions, giveaways, and airdrops. Unibot doesn't. Let's take a look at the socials. So again, all the links to this, to the Telegram bot, to the socials, the websites, it's at the bottom of the description video in the comments. Check those out. So at LightningBot ERC. So here they're doing daily AMAs here, 300. That's pretty good right here for a token. It's only been around for 1 week, to have 300 people, that's good. Sometimes you see some of these with like thousands of people in there. It's a bunch of fake listeners. This is right where you want. 300 people, legit, almost more than you'd expect. I like that. Here's a YouTube video right here. What else do we have here? So here's their big week plan, a big marketing week. So they have a Chinese press release. They have daily Twitter spaces starting this week. That was the one I just showed you. Big crypto Twitter people are being on board. So that's different than YouTubers. So the YouTube influencers start today. Me, that other person there. Big crypto Twitter influencers being onboarded periodically. Then a new product, that is the Lightning Bot X product right here. That is coming out, I believe, on, I think it says it right here, August 4th right there. That is good. What else do we have here? So big marketing push this week. That's why I was thinking about buying a bag myself. I should have. Let's see. They just got on CoinMarketCap. They just got on CoinGecko. This is pretty cool right here. So this actually is proof transparency of those revenue fees being sent back to you. So here it is right here. So here's all the transactions. Looks like about 13 hours ago, they sent a whole bundle of revenues back to the holders. So it's, it's mostly, if you do the math here, it's mostly just a couple dollars to each person. But that's, the product's only been around for around a week. They haven't generated millions of dollars yet. They're just generating some revenues here and there. They're giving out the exact 80% split amongst all the holders. A couple dollars, that's good. If it was too high, they'd be faking it. If it was too low or not transparent, then I wouldn't be interested either. So they're transparent. They show that they're giving the revenues, and it's a couple dollars each. Will be getting higher soon, or also the more that you hold, the higher it will be getting. What else do we have here on Twitter? They were trading, so you got some crypto Twitter people right here. They were #1 trading on DexTools last week. That is very impressive right there. And that's it for Lightning Bots. The links are at the bottom. Always do your own due diligence, especially with new projects like this. But what do I like about Lightning Bot? There's a few things I like. First, I like how active the dev team is. They are posting multiple times a day, all day on Twitter. They're doing daily AMAs. Very active team. That's what I like. Also, I like how the chart is trending up. It's looking good, but it hasn't already mooned so much that you're worried it's going to pull back. It's kind of right at that sweet spot. Going along with that, I like the fact that it's in, the trading bot sector, which is a hot sector right now. Look at how well Havoc and Unibot have done in the last month. And this coin, Lightning Bot, even though it's done well, it hasn't even done half as well as those two as of yet. So the sky is the limit for this project. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below. Hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this project. Be back tomorrow with a new video. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.